Hey there, guys. It's John Waite here. Thanks for checking out my review. Now, before we get started with this review, are you ready to revolutionize your internet marketing game? Imagine having a team dedicated to crafting your entire online marketing empire, guiding you until you hit that impressive milestone of earning $10,000 per month. If this ambitious journey excites you, then dive into the first link in the description to explore more. Now let's dive into the sheer value awaiting you after picking up this product. Prepare for a mind-blowing experience as you unlock 4 sensational bonuses, seamlessly delivered through JV Zoo or Warrior Plus. First off, Bonus 1 unveils my proven method of amassing a staggering 250,000 email subscribers weekly. No fluff or guesswork involved. I'll walk you through precisely where to find them and reveal the secrets of mailing them using a cost-effective, self-hosted autoresponder ranging from a mere $3 to $12 per month. Hold tight for Bonus 2. An exclusive peek into my cutting-edge free traffic technique dominating 2023. Watch as your offers, blogs, and websites surge with a torrent of visitors, courtesy of this powerful method. Next in line, Bonus 3 is your ticket to conquering YouTube. I'll unravel the strategies to catapult all your videos to the top spot for your chosen keywords on YouTube, ensuring an influx of traffic directed straight to your offers. But wait, there's more. Bonus 4 grants you access to promote my mentor's flagship product, Empire, with an unheard of 100% commission throughout the entire funnel. This means you can proudly endorse it as your very own product. Seize this opportunity to elevate your online presence, maximize traffic, and skyrocket your earnings. Don't miss out. Embrace these game-changing bonuses and embark on your journey toward online marketing supremacy. So with that said, let's jump straight over and see what this product is all about. But before we do that, don't forget, if you would like me and my team to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then you're going to want to check out the first link in the description. And if you want to pick up this product that I'm reviewing, then you want to check out the second link in the description, and I'll see you on the inside.
Do you know that online shoppers globally are expected to spend an estimated $209.7 billion on holiday shopping between November 1st to December 31st? As the holiday spirit fills the air, consumers are looking for the perfect gifts, products, and treats to spoil themselves and their loved ones, making it an ideal time to set up your own profitable e-commerce business and grab a share of this holiday buying frenzy. In fact, the online retail industry is worth a whopping $9 trillion. But the sad reality is, most people struggle to make money with e-com. That's because starting and setting up your online store requires both time and lots of money. Option number 1, pay developers to build your store. You're either looking at investing thousands on a design and coder to build you a store. Option number 2, pay expensive platforms like Shopify, Amazon, eBay, and WooCommerce. You can use a store builder like Shopify that charges a monthly fee, and you'll have to build everything on your own, in addition to daily maintenance that is needed to keep your store fresh and ahead of the competition. Neither option is all that great, and it's the big reason why most would-be e-commerce quit before they ever get their store up. There's a much easier way. The answer is to create an e-com funnel focused on just one product or just a few products. And when you do it this way, the results are amazing, and you can start making money today. Because e-com funnels are proven to convert 10x better than Shopify, Amazon, and other regular stores, and the good news is, we built AI e-com funnels. AI is getting crazy good. And it's no secret. In fact, OpenAI, the owner of ChatGPT, was just valued at $29 billion. Yes, a billion with a B. That's why we did something unique that nobody else has ever done before. We combined AI with online e-com funnels. E-com funnels convert 10x better than regular stores. And they are super easy to set up, requires no technical knowledge. Your first funnel can be up and running in 60 seconds from now. You make your first e-com sale today. And it works even if you already have an existing store or starting from scratch. It generates 10 times more profits than your regular store. And here's where it gets better. Not only does the AI create the e-com sales pages, it creates a complete e-commerce business. It writes all the sales copies for the products, creates the sales page, upsells and thank you pages, finds winning products, including powerful headlines, product descriptions, video, and fulfill orders in one click, and designs the funnel itself from the ground up. Literally everything is done for us with the built-in AI. Now you can crush e-com without stores using our 100% brand new storeless e-com technology. Introducing FlowCart. With FlowCart, you can create highly profitable eCom funnels preloaded with hot winning products using a keyword in just 60 seconds flat. The sky is the limit really. There are hundreds of different products to sell. And the best part, we don't have to ship anything. Which means no inventory, no product shipping or handling, no customer support, zero upfront investment. Here's how it works. You can activate your very first FlowCart eCom funnel in just 3 clicks. Click 1. Ask. Enter any keyword to choose a niche/product. For example, you could choose weight loss or, if you're not sure, ask FlowCart's AI to choose one for you. Click 2. Generate. The AI will generate high profitable eCom funnels loaded with products, images, and pre-written sales copy. And no, we didn't forget about traffic like all the other apps. That brings us to click 3. Profit. Send traffic to your eCom funnels. You can use our one-click AI traffic generator that taps into 2.6 billion buyers at the press of a button to flood your funnels with traffic and sales. And the nice thing about these funnels is that when they're set up, they keep bringing in sales over and over again. Like clockwork. Why? Because they run on complete autopilot, like a self-driving Tesla, raking in profits non-stop, 24/7. Even when you're sleeping. Even when you're eating. Even when you're on vacation. As long as you don't shut down your FlowCart eCom funnels, they will continue to make sales no matter what. You're getting all the features you need to crush it, including AI automated eCom funnel creation. Effortlessly create and launch your own highly profitable e-commerce funnel, complete with hot in-demand products, images, video, and sales copies. The possibilities are endless, and this will allow you to tap into the $9 trillion plus online retail market. You'll be able to sell things that people actually want, which is why so many FlowCart users are making money right now. Automatic AI-powered eCom funnel builder. If you thought that the AI could only write headlines and product descriptions, you're wrong. It gets far more advanced than that. FlowCart's AI is so smart, it can create proper sales pages, upsells, and thank you pages for your eCom products that match the quality of a veteran copywriter. This feature alone is worth literally thousands of dollars, as a good copywriter can easily charge $1,000 plus for a simple project. Easy drag and drop page builder to create stunning sales pages for eCom products. You don't need any design skills to use FlowCart eCom funnels. Everything inside is easy to customize with a simple drag and drop. Auto-written product descriptions. Yes, you heard that right. Meaning, you won't need to face writer's block, trying to come up with the best description for your products. FlowCart's AI will automatically come up with a super enticing description that has people drooling to buy. Whether it's a t-shirt, mug, phone case, or sweater, it doesn't matter. FlowCart's AI can whip up an exciting description regardless of what you're selling. AI-written headlines and subheadlines. Not only can the AI write product descriptions, it also crafts eye-catching headlines and subheadlines. This is even more important, as people read headlines before descriptions, so this ensures you're capturing the attention of the visitor. This is one of the reasons why FlowCart funnels sell any kind of product like hotcakes, and can easily make us $3,000 per month, with just one funnel. Stunning, done-for-you funnel design templates. Not only are these eCom funnels templates visually appalling, they are proven to get people to pull out their credit cards and buy. Because that's what matters at the end of the day. Fulfill and deliver or dropship successful order. Auto-fulfill orders easily from a single dashboard. In one click, you can move orders from successful to fulfilled once you've actually fulfilled them so that every order is neatly tracked and processed. AI-powered Facebook and YouTube ads writer. To get sales rolling in right away, use our AI-powered writer to quickly crank out an attention-grabbing Facebook or YouTube ad script in just seconds. These are guaranteed to grab attention, as we've trained our AI to mimic the writing style of the best copywriters out there, like Gary Halbert, John Caples, Clayton Makepeace, and many others. In fact, you will be shocked when you see how engaging the copy is. You never would have thought a robot could have written it. Another great feature is that these eCom funnels are fully optimized for SEO. It's no secret that billions of people are searching on Google every single day. That includes millions of people searching to buy products online. And the best part is, this traffic is 100% free, so you don't need to pay any advertising expenses whatsoever. Now, even though it's 2023, many eCom stores only look good on desktop. This is a huge drawback, as only 40% of internet users are desktop. The other 60% are using tablets and phones. That's why we took the time to optimize our eCom funnels to look stunning on all devices. They're also optimized for all major internet browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Safari, Opera, and all others. There's also effortless payment processing. Normally, it can take weeks to set up payment processing. Talk about a technical nightmare. To simplify everything, you can begin taking in payments from credit cards like MasterCard, Visa, American Express, Discover with just a few clicks. Just hook up a PayPal or Stripe account, and you'll be ready to accept payments in just minutes, with zero headaches or waiting. Now listen, right now, FlowCart is selling for a one-time price. The same as the price of a cheap t-shirt from Walmart. If you get FlowCart right now, you won't have to pay any additional hidden fees. But do know that this special pricing won't last forever. This is only available to our Alibaba users. To maintain support for our products and pay employees, we will be forced to soon charge a monthly price. So if you come back later at any time, you could end up paying a monthly price. Why do that when you could have acted now and gotten access to FlowCart for a low, one-time price, and you're protected by our 180-day money-back guarantee? Just click the button under this video right now to get access. I'll see you inside.